everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my Victoria's Secret Angel inspired workout routine. As I mentioned before, I love Victoria's Secret models and I watch a lot of their workout videos on YouTube. So I've created my own workout routine inspired by the angels and I wanted to share it with you today. Enjoy the video. Please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe for more because I really appreciate that. And if you feel like it, you can also follow me on Instagram. It's @Aloha Amy_ and I always post lots of pretty pink content on there. So before I even get to the gym, my first step is picking out an outfit, and I always like to wear a cute gym outfit because that makes me feel really motivated to work out. So today I've just gone for this pink top from Victoria's Sport and then my leggings, which are from O'Neill. They have O'Neill written on the leg and they're really comfy. They're super high-waisted and they have a little tie right here, so it means that they don't slip down when I'm jogging. So I love them. And I have also got my New Balance trainers on and they're pink underneath. They're really cute and I just have my hair tied back and out of the way. So yeah, that's my outfit today and I really hope you enjoy this video. So I like to start my workouts by doing 20 minutes of cardio. I do half the time jogging at a slight incline and then the other half of the time I walk at quite a fast pace at a much higher incline, and today I was walking around the Eiffel Tower, which was kind of fun. Then I move on to dumbbells and I just do a few simple exercises with quite a light weight. I find that 8 to 10 is perfect for me. And this one is just working my arms and my obliques, and I really like doing this one. Then I do this exercise which works my arms and my back and my shoulders, and also I make sure to really keep my core tight because it also works the abs as well. Then I like to do some deadlifts. I just use the bar because it's 20 kilograms on its own and I find that's heavy enough. So the next very important booty exercise is to do lots of squats. Sometimes I will use a kettlebell or a dumbbell with this as well. Then I think these might be called donkey kicks, I'm not exactly sure, but I've seen a lot of the Victoria's Secret Angels do this, and I bring my knee up to my chest and kick it up the way, and then for the other one I also bring my knee more towards my elbow and then kick out the way. Next I set my timer for 30 seconds and I do various different exercises. So this one, working my obliques, I do crunchies and sit-ups and various different things like that, all for 30 seconds. I tend to do around 6 to 8 exercises and repeat them 3 times for 30 seconds. And I've just found that is the best way to work abs for me. always end my workouts by doing my stretching routine. I just looked up a tutorial on YouTube for some good stretches to do and I followed that. So that is my Victoria's Secret Angel inspired workout routine completed. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
The reality.
Ow, that was so loud.